Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to add collaboration in Instagram posts after posting. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Instagram application. In here, go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right photo. Once you're here, create a new post. We'll use this as an example. Just choose one from your gallery. Once done, just do the way you normally do. And then post it. Once done, this time you are going to go in your timeline to view the new post. Just refresh your timeline for it to appear. This will take a few seconds, but once it's there, tap on it. Now swipe up. In here, you will see an option to tag people. And then in here, you can add paid partnership label. Then click on check. Then check again. So once it's posted, it's already good to go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment as well.